Expansive or reactive soils are clays prone to significant volume changes with the addition or removal of water. If you happen to see soil with deep cracks during drier seasons, you were likely watching a reactive soil. The volumetric strain, due to the effect of wetting and drying, can be decomposed into a reversible and an irreversible component. Expansive clays have two distinct structure levels, a microstructure level and a macrostructure level. Micro-level properties, such as mineralogical and chemical compositions, greatly control the macro behavior of expansive soils. The volume of the aggregates increases when water is provided because of their hydrophilic nature. The deformation of aggregates is purely volumetric and reversible under both mechanical and hydraulic loading. And the volume change of the macrostructure is proportional to the volume change of the aggregates. Expansive soil needs to rearrange its macro configuration to reach equilibrium during a cyclic wetting-drying process. This phenomenon occurs mainly in the early stage of the wetting-drying process, and it produces irreversible swelling shrinkage strain. Buildings and other artificial structure, such as driveways, sealed roads and parkings, prevent or delay stormwater infiltration into the ground, as well as the evaporation of moisture in wet soils. In both cases, they form patches of soil where the soil moisture content is not the same as the surrounding areas. For this reason, during the dry season, soil dries, causing deterioration or loss of support at the edges of foundations, and conversely, it swells and lifts them up during the wet season. The scale of the problem is that, each year in the United States, expansive soils cause twice as much loss and damage to buildings and infrastructure than that from floods, hurricanes, tornadoes, and earthquakes combined. Various techniques may be used to mitigate the effects of soil expansivity, including, for example, chemical treatments with lime or calcium hydroxide, soil replacement with non-expansive soil, construction of vertical moisture barriers along the perimeter of the foundations, installation of deep piles, usually in combination with collapsible void formers, or more recently, in combination with waffle foundations utilizing plastic pods that are designed to vent the swelling pressure of the soil. In many cases, shallow waffle raft foundations with good structural performance and avoided contact area are a safe and affordable option for residential applications. More information about the performance of the RIB Raft X-Pod system is available within the resources section.